One of the issues with W211 Mercedes-Benz E-Class older models is that the window defrosting stops working, and the reason is that this connector here, it's the connector 20 behind the rear SAM module. That connector just melts, and in my case it basically evaporated. So we need a fix there, and one of the fixes here is to modify a relay. That's the same relay that activates the defrosting function. So what I did here with this relay is that there are these tabs. You can push them away. Okay, well, kind of deform this and break it a little bit. And what I did here is that this tab here is the output tab. You can check it from the schematic and see what's the output tab for the relay contact. And I cut away some of the plastic from here and soldered a direct wire onto that tab. So we get a direct connection to this tab without going through the SAN module. And that's the wire here, and now I'm just going to terminate this wire or connect this wire to the existing window defroster wire. I can route this wire straight through from here to back side of the module. I'm going to use this crimpable thingy. I don't know what's to call it. Now let's see. It goes in. It goes. That's too much. I need to cut some of it off. Twist the wires. That goes in, and now let's crimp it. So that's secured. The other side is a bit trickier. Hello. Come on.